Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to be testing the brand new Grok Code Fast 1. I haven't actually seen a video about this yet. I'm not really sure why or how this has passed over other people's radar. Basically, if you want to know where I find new models, I just go to OpenRouter. At the top here, I click models and then I kind of see if there's anything worth looking at. So Quen, for example, here, and then this one here is the one that I'm actually interested in, which is Grok Code Fast 1. Now, a lot of people said to me that the original Grok 4 model was not for coding, and I said that that was cope, and that if a normal model can't code, then probably the coding model can't code either. But I'm always willing to give things a try. Now, this is an economical choice. 0.20 per million input tokens, $1.50 per million output tokens is extremely cheap, right? And yeah, it's got great tokens per second. I don't really give a shit about tokens per second, to be honest with you. I think it's like saying, oh, I'm not more intelligent than you, but I can think faster. It's like nobody gives a shit how fast you think. People give a shit about how intelligent you are, but it is what it is. They have to cope in some way. So, yeah. So let's have a look here. Let's actually give this a little try. So it says that we can try this for free on Klein. So let's open Visual Studio Code here. Let's go File, New Window, and then I should have Klein already. There we go. Perfect. And let's go down, let's go to Settings. Let's go Grok. Oh no, what are they called? xAI, right? Yeah, xAI. Okay. Let's see. It doesn't even seem to be here. So maybe I have to update my Klein. No. Okay. Oh, okay. So I have to use Klein as the provider. So let's go here. Go Klein. There we go. Okay. There we go. Grok Fast Coding 1. Let's not enable it. Maybe we should enable extended thinking. And then what? Do I have to sign up with Klein here? Let's just continue with Google, obviously. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so I should be logged in here. Let's just say hi and see if it works. So hi. Okay, it does work. Beautiful. So let's cancel out here and let's set up the benchmark. If you're unfamiliar with the benchmark, basically, I'll just go to my school community here and I'll just grab the prompt. So classroom, all my prompts and workflows, and then it's this one right here. So we'll go terminal, new terminal, and we'll do mkdir, what is it, grok for coding, cd grok for coding, and then we'll create the project. Now, if you're an Elon fan or an xAI fan or whatever, I understand that you might have a different opinion to me on Grok, but so far I've had very bad experiences with Grok. I don't rate it as a model at all, and I'm only giving it a chance just, because you need to give everything a chance. You can't just say that something is trash when you haven't actually tested it. So I will test this completely and fully, and I will give it a chance. And the fact that it's free as well right now is obviously a very, very nice little thing they've done. Okay, so we'll grab this images file, or this public file, sorry, so right click, copy, and we'll put it in, what the hell's it called? Grok for coding, there we go. And we'll paste that, there we go. So these are just for the images, etc. So now we've pretty much set up everything, and we'll just grab this prompt. Just before we send the prompt, shout out to the sponsor of this video, which is of course myself with SEO Grove. If you have a Shopify or soon to be WordPress ecom website, check out seogrove.ai. There's about 5 days left of the waiting list before we put the price up to $4.99 a month without a discount. Right now you can lock it in for $1 a month plus $1 to lock it in, and then $99 a month every month for 3 months. And this price will be going up extremely soon, so get it while you can, basically. It'll be the first or second link in the description of this video. Okay, with that being said, let's go back to Visual Studio Code here. Let's just open up. Okay, there it is. So this is. Let's just open up Grok 4 coding inside Visual Studio Code. Go to Terminal, and then open up Klein. Make sure we're on Grok. So Klein and Grok Code Fast. There we go. And then we'll hit Enter, and we'll see how this does. So this is apparently supposed to be blazingly quick, which I mean is cool, but I only really care about the quality. I'm not really that bothered about anything else. Let's see here. This is very, very fast, I have to say. Very, very fast. Okay, wow. This should be quite an easy video for me to make then if this quick. Okay, so we'll let this run, guys. We'll see how it does, and I'll be back. But if anything happens, I will... Okay, so this does happen quite a lot. The reason is that the prompt might not be perfect yet for client itself. This is actually quite common, so don't worry too much about it. Okay, so a couple of things I like to do is just have a look at the model cards. So first of all, 256,000 context. It's okay, it's better than Anthropic, worse than ChatGPT 5. 0.20 is so cheap. These are very, very, very cheap. It's a very cheap model. It's currently free as well, guys. So if this is a decent model, then I mean, start building. Okay, guys. So I mean, this is how I do my tests, right? So it says that it's done. It doesn't look very done, to be honest with you. It didn't even finish all of the to-dos. Um, I'm just gonna run npm run dev. I will probably tell it to finish. Yeah. So I mean, as expected, it just 404s, which is really, really, really pathetic. Grok, what are you doing? Why are you releasing things that nobody wants? Nobody wants a super fast shit model. I can tell you that for free, boys. Hire me as your AI guy because I don't know what you're up to. Nobody wants this. Nobody asked for this. I mean, seriously, I just told it that it 404 and it's still saying the website development is complete and running on localhost. The Next.js server compiled without errors and all pages are ready for testing. It's not found, you idiot. Does it even know what a 404 is, for fuck's sake, man? Come on, bruh. Oh, it's because there's no EN, right? Yeah, what I mean, oh my god. So I don't know what some of these AI companies are thinking, honestly. Nobody wants this. Nobody wants a completely shit model. Nobody wants it. Nobody wants this. Nobody asked for this. Internal server error. Come on, man. I will say one thing, guys, though. It's very, very quick. It's a really quick model. Look, there is probably a use for this in some kind of application. I wouldn't use it for coding personally because it can't code for shit. But for example, if you have a need for an extremely fast response, this might be the model that you use. Okay, it's probably going to be better than Mercury, which is kind of the other model that is very, very quick. But I mean, come on, like who honestly is going to be using this model? All right, guys, I've given this more than enough of a chance. I'm just trying to get it so I can actually see the website. Can't even see the website. This is honestly, this is one of the worst models. This is like comparable to the open source models from a year ago. Like, what are they doing? What are you guys actually doing? How much are you spending on this? Oh my god. Look, honestly, I'd give this a -1 out of 10. Don't waste your fucking time, guys. Complete trash. Can't even see the website. Even if I go to /en, everything is just broken. Oh my god. I just want to see the website. Like it says here, Elon Musk's SpaceX invests 2 billion in xAI to expand AI. And it can't even build a simple Next.js website. I'm telling you that it's 404ing and it's saying great, now it's running on it. This is the worst test I've ever done in my life. Don't waste your fucking time, boys. I'm gonna leave the video there, guys. I'm really disappointed by this. Complete trash. Thanks for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end, as usual, you're an absolute legend. And I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.